Hello, welcome to Atmatrapti. We'll show you the rice harvesting process. Few days ago, we cut the rice plant and we kept under the sun for dry. After drying the paddy, in 1 or 2 days, we moved the crop to the threshing area and next day we started separate the paddy in traditional way. A very interesting method is to thrash the paddy, separate the seeds, and carry it in sacks to the mill to be made for rice. It is a great exercise and a fun part. I feel if you have any anger or any frustration or anything which you don't like and you want to throw your that energy outside, it's a great option to take it out. Just fun, but yes, it's too hard to do. Today is first day, there are still lot to do, and if you are interesting, please let me know. It's really interesting and funny work we have to do. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.